Hi, I'm Jerry Lynn, and today we are going to learn how to grill fatty steak. First, we are going to add a little oil to the steaks. Okay. The reason we put oil on is so the seasoning will stick. The next thing we do is we are going to sprinkle a little salt and pepper. There we go.
There you go. There's your pepper. Now it's time for your salt.
Now it's
Go
time
easy.
for salt.
You just shake it.
Shake it?
Shake it like this.
Okay, I can. Now we rub our seasoning in.
There you go.
And now it's time to do the other side.
Flip them over.
And now we're going to put some oil on the other side. Well, we want more oil. Don't just drip it. It's bad.
What's the oil do, Jerry?
It makes the seasoning stick.
That's right. Now that the oil's on, what do we do?
Now we put the Now we rub the oil.
We want to rub the oil all over the whole steak, even the fatty part on the edge.
Even the bone if it hurts.
Yep.
I know how that feels. It hurts.
Now we put pepper on.
And salt.
Yep. Do the pepper first. Really shake it on there. You want a lot. You can slap it on the bottom if you need to. There you go. All right, rub it in for us, buddy.
Okay. Now we're going to put it on the grill.
Where are we cooking these?
Outside.
On an open pit?
Yes.
That's how real people do it. That's like caveman stuff.
Yep. Now we're outside cooking over an open fire, but now we have to let it die down first. I like eating steak.
Can you say thank you, Jamie Wofford?
Thank you, Jamie Wofford.
Yep, this was Jamie's cow that we're eating. All right, Jerry, grab some steaks and put them on there.
Okay.
Do you know how?
Ooh, that burns.
Here, let me help you, buddy.
Okay. Ooh, that's hot. One lesson, do not get too close to this. It will burn.
Jerry, will you grab the cookie sheet?
Yep.
Quickly. Keep your gloves on because it's hot. All right, buddy. Take the cookie sheet into Mama, and we will be right back.
Boy, it won't be long. These steaks are cooking really good.
Really long fingernails.
Boy, they look done to me. I think we're going to take them off. remember, before you cut in, let them rest before you cut into your steak. At least 10 minutes. Man, it looks good.